Welcome to Girls World!
Hi everyone! I received this package from Stylevana. It's their advent calendar this year, which is now officially available on their website. So let's unbox and let me show you what are the items that you can look forward to. Their theme for this year is Find Your Beautiful Self. Day 1, you'll be getting the Mary & May Vegan Niacinamide Panthenol Sun Cushion. Day 2 is the Frudea product. Day 3 is the TM Vita B3 Source. Day 4 is from Viti Cosmetics. Day 5 is the Deep Sea Pure Water Cream. Day 6 is the famous brand Haru Haru Wonder. Day 7 is a sun stick from Cynic. Day 8 is from the brand Goodall. It's their Green Tangerine Vita C Eye Gel Patch. Day 9 is the Pep Balm. Day 10 is the Black Pearl and Gold Hydrogel Eye Patch, which I'm so excited to try. Day 11 is from another famous brand, Tree. Day 12 is another lip product. Day 13 is a Hand All Fix Mascara. Day 14 is from the brand Hamish. It's their Mandarin Clean Balm. Day 15 is 2 travel size product from Some By Me. It's their Retinol Intense Reactivating Serum and their Retinol Intense Advanced Triple Action Eye Cream. For day 16, it's the Luxe Liquid Eyeshadow. Day 17 is one of the products I'm excited to try. It's the Hand Cream Forest Moonlight. Day 18 is a Skin Softening Serum. Day 19 is another lip product, which is the Non-Sticky Light and Comfy Glossy Lip Tint. Day 20 is by the brand Manyo. It's their Bifida Biome Complex Ampule. Day 21 is by Beauty of Joseon, which is one of my favorite brands. It's their eye serum. Day 22 is from Abiv. It's their Rice Probiotics Overnight Mask. Day 23 is 2 travel-sized hair products. And of course, on Christmas Eve, you'll be rewarded with the Skin 1004 brand, which is my ultimate brand favorite. So grab yours now. I'll leave the link in the description as well as my discount code wherein you can get 15% off. Until next time, bye!